So this is an example of a web page built on top of Contentstack. In a traditional CMS, if an end user, we call them a content editor, were to be editing content, what they would see is a WYSIWYG editor, and it would look something like this. It would bring this promise of editing the content inline and making it really easy to make updates to your page. But in reality, you'd see a bunch of code all over the page that you're trying to edit. And so making a change like changing the title or a section would be really difficult for them, while for a developer, it'd be really simple. Well, if you go to Contentstack, it's a completely different experience. So if I take a look at the same page in Contentstack, I find the events page. I can see that it's broken out field by field. And so if I go here, let's say I want to change the date on Boston. I want to make it May 30th. And then I want to reorder it so it comes after Sydney. Just a drag and drop experience for you to make that change. And so it's really fast and simple to make these changes for your content edits. And so what this does is it frees the content editor from the experience they had with an old CMS like WordPress or Sitecore, where they're always fighting with the CMS and struggling to make changes because every small change takes over 30 minutes to make. Instead, they just make a change like what I showed you, and when they're ready, they can decide what environment to publish it and publish it out. So now if I go back to this page, I can refresh it, and I see, oh look, it's now showing Sydney on May 21st, Boston on May 30th. Just a little bit about how easy it is to edit content in Contentstack and some of the tools we build to make the CMS powerful for our business users.